Hey, how you doing? Garage Door Mike. Gonna show you the 8355W from Chamberlain LiftMaster. This is a AC current belt drive, way better than any chain drive on the market. Quiet, reliable. Belt is lifetime warranty, motor lifetime warranty. On sale for the next 35 days. Comes with a solid I-beam rail, pull rope, wall station with a light lock and learn button. You can also download the app to open it from your mobile device. It does come with 2 remotes and a keypad and the protector system, photo eyes, keep you all safe. On sale for the next 30 to 35 days. Give us a call, 630-271-9343, www.innovativedoor.com. Like us on Facebook, we'll like you. Thank you for watching the protector systemed LiftMaster 8355 sale product video. And as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thank you for watching.